Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 3046R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor with a John Deere H160 quick attach front end loader. The tractor is just under 1,000 hours on it. It's a very clean little tractor. Has the John Deere factory warranty that runs into 2025. Check the listing for the exact dates. The loader is the H160, which is a quick attach loader. Has a quick attach bucket here as well. Traded this tractor in from a fellow that was upgrading to a 4 Series tractor. It's a very clean little unit. The 3046R is the largest horsepower tractor in the 3R family. So you've got all the maneuverability of the 3R with the max horsepower, 46 horsepower. So it's a really nice combination. Has the e-hydro transmission. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat. The four-wheel drive engagement lever, and then also your park brake and your differential lock here to the left of the seat. Loader control here to the right. Twin pedals for your forward, reverse, and your hydro, and then all your e-throttle, cruise control, hydrostat response, all that. All those switches are located on this panel right here. Looks like the warranty runs into February 20th of 2025. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other used tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us at maskedtractor.com.